All right, you guys. So at the time of filming this video today, I've done over 400 music videos. And after all of those music videos, the hardest lesson that I had to learn is what I'm going to talk about in this video. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you guys, this was my outlook, kind of like my philosophy with videos. And it makes sense, but then it doesn't make sense. And there's a lesson in here that I've learned that I'm gonna share with you. So first and foremost, I'm very passionate about anything that I do. I'm a strong believer in how you do anything is how you do everything. And so when someone books me to shoot a music video, I get deep with it. I start thinking about like, bro, these people work extremely hard. Some way, somehow they came up with the money. Then I've done things in my power through my branding and marketing to showcase that I'm worthy of them trading their hard-earned money in exchange for me to do a video for their song. I have that in my mind. Then I get to thinking about like, okay, so as of today, right here, right now, this is the highest my skill level has ever been. If you think back, like however long you've been doing videos, but when I think back 5 years ago, bro, I've gotten so much better. Even like 6 months ago, I've grown so much. Even 3 music videos ago, I've grown so much. So my outlook is going into any new music video, okay, here I am today. This is the highest my skills have ever been. This is the most educated I've ever been. I have the best equipment I've ever had in my entire life. This next music video should be the best music video I've ever done in my life because all of the videos before this, my skill level wasn't where it is today. All those different things, equipment, right? My knowledge. So then when things maybe aren't going to plan or, you know, like variables pop up left and right, every single music video, no matter what, no matter how well planned out it is, no matter how well you crossed your T's and dotted your I's, things are gonna go wrong and not according to plan. And then I get upset because then I start realizing I have this expectation of the best music video I've ever done in my entire career is supposed to be happening today. And I realize that it's not. And then I get overwhelmed and I struggle with hiding my emotions. And then the artist could probably see that I'm bothered and they shouldn't feel that way. I said in one of my old videos, how would you feel if you went to the dentist and you open your mouth and the dentist was like, holy right? You'd be like, what? Am I good? Are you gonna fix it? Like you panic, right? And so the same thing with, you know, the artist booking you to do the music video, you gotta be cool, calm, and collected. And, you know, I credit it to a good thing, the fact that I'm passionate and that I care about doing the video extremely well. And I look at it like, bro, I'm at the peak of my career. I have the most people paying attention to the videos that I put out. Like, it's gotta be here. And this is the lesson that I've learned. And what I've realized is each video you're going into it, you know, most likely with a new artist, new song, what you should be focused on is making the best music video that you possibly can for this artist, for this song today. Working with what you're working with today. I need to be reminded of this daily, right? Because part of a music video being like your best music video ever, maybe some songs require like this all-out treatment and story, and there's all these cool things going on, and there might be the budget there to hire these extras, and there's all these different locations and lights, and there's so many cool things happening that it's like, yes, this is best music video of my career level playground or tools that I'm dealing with here. But then some videos, again, it could be a simple freestyle rap song. The dude's just going in for a couple minutes and he's got a couple dudes with him and you got an alley and a parking lot and like the studio. And I used to still kind of do, I'm working on it, right? Like I'm letting the guard down. I'm letting you guys know how I really feel. I get overthinking, overanalyzing, like that stuff that I did years ago. I'm supposed to be here right now. Every video's supposed to get better and better and better and better and better. And then when you do some videos that take a few steps back, it feels like I'm moving in the wrong direction. I'm supposed to be moving forward, bigger and better, bigger and better. But what I realize is like, you gotta go with the punches, right? Instead of judging where you're at based on one specific video that you're doing right now, judge where you're at looking back on like the last 10 videos, 20 videos, maybe even the last year of videos you've done, and then assess, is this last year's worth of videos my best yet? Versus, is this one video the best one? All right, now this next one's gotta be better. This next one's, it's like, no, like just deliver on each video because every song is different. And again, you're working with different things, right? And some songs could be like, you could give them the best possible video for that song, but it's just the fact that that song doesn't even need that next level video, right? So you just do what you do accordingly to the canvas that you're working with that day. There we go. Yes, you guys, check all the links in the description. I've included affiliate links that you can save money. I'm rolling out the mastering music videos. There's gonna be lots of different courses available. I believe the very first course that's dropping is on editing music videos. So everything you need to know how to professionally edit music videos. You can join the waitlist. If you join the waitlist, you'll save money when it does drop. Maybe if you're watching this right now, it's already out, but just regardless, click the link and go to Mastering Music Videos. Check that out. Another thing is I just opened back up limited amount of spots of like one-on-one consultations. As far as I always feel like the guys that I learn from watching on YouTube is like, bro, I know that you're casting a wide net, talking to potentially millions of people where you're suiting your advice to fit well with the broad million people. I have specific questions that are specific to like where I'm at in my life, in my career, with my kid. Like I have these specific questions that I would love to get your insight on, but they didn't offer that, you know, so I'm offering that. Links to everything in the description. Hey, thank you all for watching. If you've ever felt the same way that I'm talking about how I feel in this video, let me know in the comments. Just drop the 100 emoji. 100. It's like, amen, I'm with you. I don't ask for much. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe so you don't miss any more of this. I'll see you guys next time. We out.